everyone, and a huge congratulations to Italy on winning the Euro Cup. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a recently added gadget to my tech setup, the Marshall Major 3 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my thoughts. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. On the back, you have the key features such as battery life, custom tuned 50mm drivers and aptX support, and we will talk about these features shortly. Once you open it up, there's a user manual, safety information, you have the micro USB cable which is used to charge the headphones, and a 3.5mm headphone jack that allows you to use these headphones as wired ones in case your batteries die and you don't have a charger handy. And these are the headphones. They are on ear and have a simple old school Marshall design. These come in 3 colors. I have the black, but they also come in a white and a brown color. On the sides you have the Marshall logo in white. I love this unique design. I think it makes these headphones look really cool. The combination of black, white and gold is awesome. Also, they fold up easily, becoming really compact and making it ideal to travel with. Unfortunately, these don't come with a case, so you need to buy that separately. Everything is controlled through this gold button here. This round gold button is what allows you to power it on or off. A long press turns it on with a flashing white LED on this side. Connecting it to your devices is very easy. To pair your device, you have to just hold it down until this white light starts flashing blue, and select the headphones from your device menu and you're good to go. To power it off, you have to hold it down until the red light flashes. You can control the volume and skip tracks using the same button. You can also take calls on these as they have a mic, so you can answer and end calls using the same button. 1 press for answering and 2 for declining. One very cool feature of these headphones is that, say you and your friend want to listen to the same thing, you could have the headphones connected to your device and use the 3.5mm jack to connect these to another headphone so you and your friend can listen to the audio at the same time. Alright, so the most important part is of course the sound quality. The sound is amazing. The bass is just right for me. It's not bass heavy, which means I can wear it for longer. The vocals are clear and the sound is overall very well balanced. They have Bluetooth aptX. This eliminates any sound lag when you're watching videos or movies. Another brilliant feature is the battery life. The Major 3s come with over 30 hours of wireless playtime, which is just insane. I've been using it for a week straight and I've yet to put it to charge. Talking about comfort, the cushioning on the ear cups is perfect. The padding is really good. They're soft and super comfy and great at isolating outside noise, so even though they don't have ANC, which is active noise cancellation, the noise around you doesn't interrupt your audio. I wouldn't go as far as to compare this to the Bose 700s or the Sony XM4s, but if you're looking for a mid-tier, super sounding headphone, this is the one for you. Alright everyone, those were the Marshall Major 3s. If any of you own them or are planning to buy them, do drop a comment down below. Everything I say in this video is completely my opinion, but I do recommend trying them. They really are awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss my how-tos. See you all in the next one.